All right, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow it's the big day. 2021 kickoff workshop happening January 23rd. 3 hours of information to help you to go from where you are to where you want to go. We're going to be giving you everything you need to know for you to become Influencer 50K, maybe next 12 months, maybe 24 months, maybe next 36 months of time. Also some information, advanced leadership information to take your journey all the way to Influencer 200K. But I want to encourage every single one of you to come prepared. I believe that you have to show up expecting. You're going to achieve, you're going to receive, and you're going to pull out whatever you're expecting to get out of this event. So I want you to reset your mind. I want you to drop all the baggages of negative experiences from the past, all the successes and failures of the past. Let it go and come open-minded, blank sheet of paper, and be prepared to take your reality to the next level and upgrade your reality with GPS. So come prepared, be excited, be positive, be fully charged, and we'll see you tomorrow, January 23rd, 2021 Kickoff Workshop.